Hi there, students. Polysemy. I've also heard it pronounced polysemy. Um, Polysemic. Polysemic. Okay, polysemy. Polysemy is an uncountable noun, and it's talking about words that have more than one meaning. Now, you know, in English there are lots and lots of words that have various different meanings. Well, polysemy is when a word carries various different meanings. Notice words, the etymology of words come from different places, and polysemy is where where the origin of a word are all from the same root, but they have different meanings, not the same word with different meanings from different roots. So, for example, polysemy, the word run. Run is a very polysemic word. Yeah, it's got lots and lots and lots and lots of different meanings. So, run. You could run. I'm running to catch the bus. I'm running a company. My nose is running to run a business. Could you run me over to the shop to transport? The ferry runs between Newhaven and Dieppe. The river runs from just north of Oxford to London. Okay, he ran a red light. Yeah, he jumped a red light. The water, well, the blood ran down my leg. There is a theme running through the whole story. Yeah, could you run me a bath? Okay, so notice there are lots and lots of meanings of run, and this is the idea of polysemy. Yeah, there are many polysemic words which have multiple meanings, but all of these meanings are related. The opposite of polysemy is monisemy, is where a word has a single meaning. And normally for monosemy or monosemic words, these are words that describe a very specific thing. Yeah, I don't know, I made a video of a besom the other day. A besom is the broom that a witch rides. It's this stick with lots of little sticks down and tied to it. This is a very specific thing. Scientific words are very often monosemic as well. They just have one meaning. But polysemia is where, or polysemy is where there are a large number of words from one basic root word. So I think what happens is we have this root word, and then we start using it for other things. We start making different metaphors, and we make more and more and more metaphors with it. And this is how it goes. And remember, as I said before, this is not the same as where there is an accidental similarity between two words which come from different roots. Yeah, this is the same word from the same root, but with lots and lots and lots of different meanings. So set is a very polysemic word. Some people say that English has a very wide vocabulary and makes it relatively free of polysemy, but I don't think that is true. Okay, so yeah, run and set are perfect examples of polysemy. Yeah, they've got many different meanings which seem unrelated. Okay, the different tasks that a government have to undertake underline the polysemacy or the polysemy of the word government. It has different meanings. So it's the coexistence of many different possible meanings for a word. Polysemous, having polysemous, having many different meanings, multiple meanings for a word. So yes, it can be very difficult. A foreign language can be very difficult like that sometimes to actually know what the meaning is. Yeah, so the existence of multiple meanings in a single word. Okay, formality. If you use this word polysemy, I think most native speakers are not going to know what you mean by it. So be careful with it. I think I'm going to give it an 8 in formality. I think this is the sort of word I would use in a discussion with my linguistics professor, for example. So way up there in the formality, semi-formal writing or a formal writing. And then as to origin, well, it comes from polyseme, poly, many, and sema in ancient Greek, meaning a sign. Many signs. Yeah, so it's got many meanings for the one word. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Polysemy, polysemy, polysemic, polysemic. Bye for now.